Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best swinging and missing is probably one of the most sought-after items for anyone looking to improve their game, offering a unique blend of practice and entertainment that can genuinely transform your swing. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking to fine-tune your technique or a beginner just starting out, this innovative tool provides an engaging and effective way to identify and correct those frustrating flaws that lead to those dreaded misses, ultimately helping you achieve more consistent and powerful hits. Number 5. Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Floor Mop Starter Kit. Meet the Swiffer Sweeper, your ultimate solution for effortless floor cleaning. This innovative tool tackles both dry sweeping and wet mopping with ease. Its unique 2-in-1 design allows you to switch from dry sweeping to wet mopping in seconds. Keep your floors spotless with just one device. Perfect for all your multi-surface floors, it effectively captures dust, dirt, and grime. Enjoy a cleaner home with minimal effort. This comprehensive starter set includes the mop and 19 refills, giving you everything you need to begin. You'll have plenty of supplies for continuous cleaning. Simplify your cleaning routine with this all-in-one sweeping and mopping system. Experience a new level of clean with this convenient set. What we like. This floor cleaner offers a versatile 2-in-1 solution for both dry sweeping and wet mopping. It comes with a generous amount of refills, ensuring you're ready to tackle messes right away. If you're looking for a convenient way to maintain various floor types without switching tools, this is a great choice. What people say. The game is a fun and engaging experience that keeps players on their toes. The unique gameplay mechanics make it stand out from other party games. It's easy to learn but offers enough depth to keep things interesting for a long time. Number 4. SKLZ Golf Grip Trainer. Achieve the correct hand positioning on every swing. This attachment guides your fingers, thumbs, and palms into the ideal neutral grip, helping you eliminate common faults that lead to hooks and slices. Train your hands to automatically return to the correct position. Repeated practice builds the feel and consistency needed for a smoother, more repeatable swing, shot after shot. It works with any club in your bag, from your driver to your wedge. Simply slide it onto all standard grips to reinforce proper mechanics across your entire set. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this trainer provides instant feedback. It helps keep your hands in the correct place on the club during practice. This compact and lightweight aid slips easily into your golf bag. It's perfect for warm-up sessions, range practice, or at-home training. What we like. This training aid is designed to instantly correct your grip on any golf club, helping to eliminate common faults. It builds muscle memory for a more consistent swing over time. If you're a golfer struggling with slicing or hooking, or simply want to refine your fundamentals, this is the perfect tool for practice. What people say. The swing set is very sturdy and well-made, with a durable frame that can support multiple children. The design is thoughtful, incorporating safety features like rounded edges and secure harnesses. Assembly was straightforward, and all necessary parts were included, making setup quick and easy. Number 3. Carlson Extra Wide Pet Gate. This extra wide gate is perfect for large openings, fitting doorways and stairways from 29.5 to 36.5 inches wide. It stands 30 inches tall, providing a secure barrier where you need it most. Worried about your smaller pets? Our patented door allows cats and small dogs to pass through easily. It keeps your larger pets contained while giving your little ones freedom. Need to pass through frequently? The walk-through door is 16.5 inches wide and features a one-touch safety latch. It makes daily use between rooms incredibly convenient. Forget about drilling holes. This gate installs quickly and easily using a wall-friendly pressure mount system. It provides a stable barrier without damaging your walls. Built with your pet's safety in mind, it's constructed from durable, rust-resistant metal with non-toxic finishes. The secure safety lock system ensures dependable protection indoors. Designed and owned in America, this gate has been tested and trusted by pet parents like you. It offers reliable safety and peace of mind for your home. What we like. This extra-wide gate is perfect for securing large openings and stairways in your home. Its unique feature is a small pet door, allowing smaller animals to pass through while keeping larger ones contained. If you have a multi-pet household and need a versatile, easy-to-use barrier, this gate offers excellent functionality and convenience. What people say. The game is a fun and engaging experience that keeps players on their toes. The unique gameplay mechanics make it stand out from other games in the genre. Players will appreciate the challenging yet rewarding progression system. Number 2. OREO, Chips AHOY, Nutter Butter Cookie Snacks Variety Pack. Get ready for a delicious assortment of your favorite cookie snacks. This pack brings together classic flavors for everyone to enjoy. Indulge in the iconic taste of OREO. Whether you prefer the classic dark cookie or the sweet golden vanilla, there's a delightful option for you. Savor the irresistible crunch of chocolate chip cookies. Each bite is packed with rich chocolatey goodness. Enjoy the unique and satisfying flavor of peanut cookies. Their distinctive shape and taste make them a truly special treat. Each pack contains 2 cookies, making them perfect for on-the-go snacking. Enjoy the convenience of individually wrapped portions. This variety pack offers a selection of beloved cookies to satisfy any craving. It's the perfect choice for sharing or for individual enjoyment. What we like. This snack pack offers a delightful assortment of popular cookies, perfect for satisfying different cravings. Each pack contains individually wrapped servings, making them ideal for on-the-go snacking or portion control. If you're looking for a variety of treats for a family, office, or party, this pack ensures there's something for everyone. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are easy to use and provide great value. The build quality is excellent, ensuring durability. Number 1. Dark Souls Trilogy for Xbox One. Experience the game that started it all, beautifully remastered. Return to Lord Ran in high definition and enjoy enhanced single-player or multiplayer. This edition includes the Artorias of the Abyss DLC. Prepare to face the challenge once more. This comprehensive edition includes the full Dark Souls 2 experience along with all 3 major DLC expansions. Embark on the final journey of this epic series. Engage in intense combat, either alone or with others in co-op or PvP. It features the acclaimed base game and both DLC chapters. This trilogy brings together the foundational title, its challenging sequel, and the grand finale. Each game offers a unique, demanding adventure. Immerse yourself further with over 6 hours of music. Relive the intense boss fights and memorable moments from the entire saga, composed by masters of the genre. All 3 critically acclaimed titles are brought together for your Xbox One. Dive into these unforgettable worlds and test your limits. What we like. This collection brings together the complete Dark Souls saga, including all its challenging expansions. It features a beautifully remastered version of the original, offering enhanced visuals and performance. If you're a fan of challenging gameplay and deep lore, or looking to experience one of the most influential series in gaming history, this trilogy is an essential purchase. What people say. The game is a fun and engaging experience that keeps players on the edge of their seats. The unique gameplay mechanics make it stand out from other party games. It's easy to learn and play, making it accessible for all skill levels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.